It was 25 February 2020. That was holy night for Muslim Ummah because it was SHAB E-BARAT. It was an incredible scenario for me. In my whole life, I have never seen this scenery. I take this video from Azimpur graveyard. It is turned into most overcrowded place in Dhaka city. Most of the people come here to pray for their father and mother or grandfather or grandmother who have already died and they are not still now in the world. Why SHAB E-BARAT is important for Muslim Ummah? SHAB E-BARAT observed on the 5th night of the Islamic month of Shaban holds immense significance for the Muslim Ummah. This sacred night, also known as the night of forgiveness, makes a momentous occasion when Allah reviews the deeds of every individual and determining their destiny for the upcoming year. Muslims believe that on SHAB E-BARAT, Allah's mercy and blessing are abundantly bestowed upon His creation. It serves as a night of reflection, repentance, and the seeking forgiveness, offering a unique opportunity for individuals to cleanse their hearts and embark on a renowned spiritual journey. Beyond personal redemption, SHAB E-BARAT is a time to pray for forgiveness and mercy of the departed loved ones, and fostering a sense of interconnections within the Muslim community across generations. Engaging in prayers, self-reflection, and acts of kindness during this auspicious night is a means of Ummah to strengthen their bond with Allah and each other.